Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Lexus RX350 all-wheel drive in Eminent White Pearl on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. Decent sized trunk area here. So as you can see, it's very clean and well kept. We've got the winter mats here, branded by Lexus. It has the privacy shield that folds up and clips into place like so. So you can keep some of your items private if you like. There's also a nice Lexus mat that covers the bottom of the trunk. And then if we fold this up, we've got a spare tire underneath. So that's perfect. It's got the automatic tailgate, so we just press this button here. And there it goes and closes. Perfect. So the wiper for the rear windshield is tucked nicely underneath, which is a great styling feature. Down below we have a rear view camera, and we also have a lot of chrome trim along the back. We've got the dual outlet exhaust, so there's one port there and one port on this side. We'll just shift around, we'll have a look at the rear wheel. So it's in really good shape, as you can see. We've got nice Bridgestone Ecopia tires on there. At the passenger rear, we've got baseball stitching that runs along leather inserts there on the door panel, along with the wood grain. We've got the chrome door handle, and then we've got two speakers in this door as well. In the back, we've got some really high quality floor mats, as you can see. We've got dual heated seats for the rear. We've got a 12-volt socket, as well as rear HVAC outlets there as well. The center armrest is here. It folds down like so. There's actually a pocket here. If we hit this button, there's cup holders for the two outer seats. And I'll let you have a look at the condition of the leather. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And then we also have an easy fold button there. So if you like to fold the seats down, it's just that easy. And then we do have the child tethers on the back of the seats as well. So we'll just close this side up. We'll have a look at the passenger front. So again, nice leather inserts, wood grain, and baseball stitching. Power windows, power locks, and the chrome handle. And then down here on the seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, and power lumbar support. And we've got the nice Lexus metal kick plate there, and the branded floor mats. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's check out the glove box. In the glove box, we've got the books, so those are all there. That's perfect. And I'll let you have a look at the dash. Very neat design, baseball stitching, almost like a bronzed aluminum finish here. And just check out the dash, looks great. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. I'll also note that it does have a blind spot monitor, and as you can see, the mirror is an or an auto dimming mirror as well, so that's great. So we'll move along to the front wheel. So there's your front wheel, it's in really good shape, and again, nice Bridgestone tires. And then here we are under the hood. So nice V6 engine. I believe it's about 295 horsepower paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. And it's nice and tidy under there. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. It's got the nice Lexus badge with the chrome on it. The front end is in really good shape, as you can see. We also have fog lights down below, nice HID projector headlights up top with LED daytime running lights. In terms of issues, let's have a close look and see what we can find. Fairly clean front end. I'm sure there's probably a stone chip somewhere that I don't see, but there's nothing here that I see to point out to you. So that's great. So we'll just shift around this side. Here's your other front wheel. It's in really good shape. Again, Bridgestone tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the passenger rear, we'll just have another look. Again, baseball stitching, leather insert, wood grain, power windows, two speakers, and just check out the condition of this seat. Looks great. So we'll just close that up. Have a look from the driver's side. We've got 3 user memory. We've got the nice chrome handle. We've got power folding mirrors, power mirrors, window lockout locks, and your window switches there, and then a nice cubby in the door. So over on this side, we've got power seats, so power fore, aft, up, down, recline, and lumbar support. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right. Perfect. So in terms of kilometers, we have 15,322 kilometers. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. And I'll just go through some of the buttons with you. We've got volume controls, track change, mode for the radio, voice command, telephone controls. We've got the arrow keys, which work the center display here. So we've got lane keep, lane center, steering assist, alert by vibrating the steering wheel, and sensitivity is set to standard, sway warning, and sway sensitivity. So those features are all there. Pre-collision braking system, so it's got sensitivity and different settings for that. Blind spot monitor is there. Clock, vehicle settings meter, and then over here we've got information. We've got a compass, we've got radio controls, and again your lane keep program. So that's all there. Over here we have auto high beams, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got the tailgate open and close. Let's see, you've got your wiper control on the signal stock here. You've got some buttons to control the odometer here. And over on this side, you've got push button start, and then you've got your cruise control switch down here. And also there's a power tilt telescopic steering wheel here as well. So there's your push button start. And then up top we've got our screen, so it's got full factory navigation. If I put it in reverse, there's a backup camera. If I hit home, just down here there's buttons to control it. So I hit home and that brings me here. I can go back. So you've got nav, radio, media, phone, info, and climate. So we can go to climate for a second. Let's go there. So you got dual zone climate control. And then down here you've got let's see, in-dash CD player. We've got XM HD radio, and it's powered by Dolby Digital. And then you've also got climate controls here as well, so passenger and driver. And I'll just move the shifter out of the way. You've got hill hold assist. We've got auto parking brake, and then we've got the parking brake, and then we've got heated and cooled seats in this one as well. There's your shifter, very nice shifter. So what you do is you just pull it and it goes around like that to put it into gear. And then again, our radio controls. Here's your 4x4 options. So we've got eco, push for normal, sport, and then unlock of the diff and traction control here. Let's see. Oh, that's an enter button there. Very neat. And then down in here, we've got USB line in and a 12-volt socket. So that's great. And then up top, we do have a power sliding sunroof. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you the operation of that. So there it is. It opens and it closes. Perfect. And that's your tilt. And then you do have overhead lights and a sunglass holder, and then we've got the garage door openers and the auto rear dimming mirror. So that's great. So we'll just hop out with this one running and have a look. Very quiet machine. And here it is from the front. Looks great. And we'll just scan down this side. Looks good. There it is from the back, nice and quiet. Great looking SUV. Here it is down this side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And there you have it, folks. 2019 Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.